In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate section in Dorik CMS. If you've ever designed a section you love and want a quick copy without rebuilding from scratch, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, cleanest way to do it. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Dorik login page. Sign in using your usual method. If you see an option that says Sign in as, choose your profile or select your Google account if that's how you authenticate. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Find the CMS site you want to work on and click Edit Site to open the visual editor for that project. When the editor loads, navigate to the page and scroll to the section you want to duplicate. In Dorik, a section is the large block that contains your rows, columns, and elements. Hover until you see the section outline or label so you know you're targeting the entire section, not just a single text box or image inside it. Taking a second to verify this prevents you from copying only part of the layout. With the correct section selected, right-click directly on it to open the context menu. On a trackpad or Mac, Control-click works the same way. If nothing appears, make sure your browser isn't blocking site menus. In the context menu, choose Duplicate. Dorik instantly creates an exact copy, preserving layout, styles, spacing, backgrounds, and any nested blocks. The duplicate typically appears directly below the original, making it easy to compare and start editing. Now refine the copy. Update text, images, and icons so the content is unique, and double-check buttons or links so they point where you intend. If the original section used an anchor for in-page navigation, give the duplicate a unique anchor to avoid conflicts. If the page starts to feel too tall after duplication, adjust the spacing or hide unneeded elements on the copy. You can also drag the duplicated section to a new position on the page if you plan to reuse the layout elsewhere. Just select the section and move it where it fits best. Some users also like to rename the section in their notes or internal labels so it's easy to identify later during maintenance. Before you move on, take a moment to preview tablet and mobile views. Duplicated layouts generally inherit responsive styles, but a quick scan ensures headings wrap nicely and buttons remain aligned on smaller screens. And that's it. You logged in, opened your site, found the section, right-clicked, and selected Duplicate. With this simple technique, you can reuse proven designs, speed up production, and keep your pages consistent. Continue editing as needed, then follow your normal review and publishing process when you're satisfied.